In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Snapchat support code SS06 error. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Navigate to the option General. Click on iPhone Storage. Find Snapchat and launch it. Click on a Float app and confirm it. Wait for a few seconds, then click on Reinstall app. Then you can head back. Now navigate to the option Background App Refresh. Find Snapchat and toggle on for it. Now try to log into your account. With this, your problem might be fixed. In case the error still appears, there is another fix you can try. Launch App Store or Play Store. Search for a VPN app, download any trusted VPN, install it, and connect to a different server location. Sometimes Snapchat temporarily blocks certain IP addresses or network connections, and using a VPN can help bypass that issue. Once connected, reopen Snapchat and attempt to sign in again. If none of these methods work, the best thing to do is wait a few hours before trying again because Snapchat may have temporarily locked your account for security reasons after multiple failed login attempts. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.